just start uh, sheep farming with this. If anybody have more experience on it, should comment for me. Is this one okay to start with, or I should add more? This is where I start this. I give them food in the morning. So this is what I start with. I hope I'm okay with it. They are eating, they are feeling fine. Just start, sir. Just start. It's not up to 2 months now that I'm starting. So there's only one ram out of them. Others are female. That is it.